What's going on, Mix Nights? I am Nathan Mixer with MixingFitness.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a push-up routine that's going to engage the chest. So if you don't have access to a gym, this is going to help build that mass, using your own body weight for that matter. So before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you find value in this workout. Turn on your push notifications and let other people know about this video, and also hit that like button. So we're going to do 4 different exercises. The first one's going to be a regular push-up. The second one's going to be an incline close grip push-up. And then we're going to do a static hold push-up along with a wide grip declining push-up. Now, each rep is going to be 15 repetitions for each exercise. We're going to do about 3 sets. And yeah, let's get started. So the first one's going to be the regular push-up. Real straightforward. We're going to have, we're going to be in a plank position. All right. Shoulders over your wrist. And we're going to knock out 15.
You understand me? Yes.
So from here, you're going to take about 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, depending on how you're feeling, to rest and recover those muscles. Drink water in between those times. And from here, we're going to go right into the incline close grip push-up. So you want to make sure you have something stabilized. We're going to bring our hands close. That's the way it's going to encompass the whole entire chest right here in the center. And it's going to just make you a lot stronger, a lot more buffer, look a little bit plump when you go to the beach, all right? So follow me. You can grab this bench right here. All right, bring your hands into a diamond position right here. Close grip. All right, knock out 15. All right, so I think that was about 15. If it wasn't, that's a couple more there to grow on. So with that being said, we're gonna go into the archer push-ups, actually the static push-ups, right? So static push-ups, we're just gonna hold a push-up position at a low planking position, okay? So your hand's gonna be a little bit further out than a close grip or regular push-up, okay? So we're gonna come down, hold it for about 15 seconds. All right, so we go down to start position. You're going to slowly lower ourselves down for 15 seconds. All right, so so that's about 15 seconds in that workout right there. All right, we're going to take that from that position and go down to a declining push-up, okay? So with the decline push-up, it's going to really encompass the shoulders. So you want to make sure that you're keeping your shoulders over your wrist, engaging the core the whole entire time, and you know, keep your legs about 6 to 12 inches apart. All right, get you something stable like a bench or a chair or something like that. Doesn't really matter how high it is. The higher that chair, that bench is going to be, the harder the workout's going to be, okay? Be attacking me. All right, so let's go into that declining bench. All right, so that was 15 right there, declining, okay? It's gonna really encompass like your cardio too. So if you're breathing a little bit hard, that's perfectly fine. Take your break if you need to. Remember, about 30 seconds should be all you need in order to get that breather in. From here, we're gonna do one to grow on. We already did, what, 4 different exercises already? We're gonna do some archer push-ups, okay? So archer push-ups are very technical. I'll leave a little description on how to do that in my next video, or video before this one, so just be prepared for that. But let's go ahead and do an arch push-up. So it's gonna pretty much put emphasis on one arm, all right? Come down to a push-up position. We're gonna have a wide grip push-up. Come in like this, and we're gonna do one side at a time. Keep one arm straight at the same time. So the sweat is beating up on my head, so make sure you're taking your breaks if you need to. Okay, so that's a total of 5 different exercises you can do to build up your chest. My chest is already feeling inflamed. It's gonna definitely be a crusher. You have 2 more sets of this, so make sure you get them out, knocked in. If you like these videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications. Let me know in the description down below which workout that you liked the most or didn't like the most. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.